Hello friends, welcome to my another video, 3 laws of success and law of attraction. Today I'm going to talk about them, and I know people are going through bad times, and it's COVID times, and we should not let COVID win. We should let human beings win. We are going to win, and I'm going to talk about how in these times you can really make yourself very healthy, wealthy and wise. So let's fight these times together. And most of you know me, and those of you don't know me, I'm Sangeeta Gupta, your law of attraction coach and money mantra coach as well. I've been teaching Reiki for more than 25 years and money mantra course also almost the same time. And in this journey, thousands of people have worked with me on their money, health issues, etc., etc. So guys, do not forget to like my videos, subscribe to it if you have not, and please share with your friends and family if you find it valuable. And please write in the comment box what kind of videos you would like me to have. So let's not waste time, let's go and talk about 3 laws of success. So what are the 3 laws of success that I'm going to talk about today? So we are called human beings, and do you know why are we called human beings? Being is very important word, to be, and the being has created the whole world. Be is creation, be is Brahma, be creates things in life. What we usually do in life is we think about that first I will be a doer, I'll do things in life, I will work hard, I will be studying, I'll do my research, I'll do blah blah blah. So most of the times we begin our life's journey like that from the age of 3, 4 onwards, doing. We get into the world of doing things. We are taught to do things, do this, do that, don't do this or don't do that, which is equivalent to doing only. So we go into a world of doing, and then we are taught we are going to have. What we are going to have is money, wealth, respect in life. So first you will be doing certain things, behave nicely, go to school and show good manners. So this is in the doing domain. And then you will have respect, you will have money, and what will happen afterwards? The third law is then you will be. First you do, then you have, and then you will be happy, you will be successful. So these are the laws that are taught to us. People might be conscious of it or not conscious of it, but that is what we are taught to. This is the way they think you will be successful, and this is the way how life is going to be. But I'm going to go the other way around. So first you be energetic, first you be vibrant, first you be happy, first you be very happy in life. And when a person is very happy, when a human being is very happy, then he becomes very creative. When he can think, he can create, he is able to get into actions. So the person has to be happy, be created, be joyful. So if you have read about law of attraction, and if you have read Abraham Hicks, they also talk about joy is the key. Their major word is joy is the key, and I love that. And they also talk about being joyous in life. So they're also talking about being joyous. So when a human being is joyous, is being healthy, is positive, is being positive, then the person will do actions that are positive. And then the person will have whatever he wants to have in his life. So being, doing and having satisfaction in life. So it all begins with being. Being is the key to success. First you be a very happy, joyous, generous, be whatever you want to be, and then you will start doing those actions that will be very productive, very effective, and then you will have satisfaction, health and wealth, whatever you want to be. But it has to begin with your emotional state of being. So let me illustrate with an example. So there are two people who have worked very hard in life, and they are they have been taking the same kind of diet and everything, and they're sports people, and they're preparing for a competition, for a marathon, and the diets are same and everything is same, and then the marathon begins. So one person is being very confident that he is going to win, and the other person is being nervous. What will happen? I might lose. What if I don't come? So the second person is being nervous. So who do you think is going to win? Of course, the person who's confident. So his being will decide his actions. So the person who's being very confident will run in a certain way that the person who's nervous will not. So then his actions will be like haphazard. And what the person will have? The confident person will have victory, will have honor, dignity and power in his life. That is what we all want. And the other person will have failure. So it all begins with the way you are being, then the actions you take and the results you have. It comes like this, not first you do, then you have, and then you be. No, we are going the wrong way. So start practicing being. Being is very important in these times. Don't be fearful, be confident that you will win this race. You will come out of the COVID times. Be happy, be strong, be powerful. And a strong and powerful person will think of the ways that he can take new actions, new things in life, and then he can have a wonderful, happy, wealthy life, life that he always wanted to, then he will have. So begin with right now, with being, and then do, and then you will have. So thank you friends for today's session, and I love you all and hope to see you in the next session very soon. So practice being and then doing and then having, and let me know the results that you have got. It is very, very inspiring, and you start teaching your children right from this age. To be happy in life is the most beautiful thing. This is how your life begins. A child born is always happy, and we start taking that away from the child. We start teaching the child to do things, and the child becomes unhappy. Study, study, study. So when you're telling him to study, 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 and when a child is not being happy, he will never study. So parents, if you want your child to study, start telling him to be first happy. First imagine that he's very successful. So his being will start studying, will take actions towards study, and then he will have success. So start practicing that. And if you need coaching, then I'm available for personal session on this for students also. Note down my number 9811142249. The other number is 9999425793. Thank you friends, and see you again. Bye bye. Take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful, happy times. Be happy, be joyous, be strong, be powerful, be creative, and you can add a lot of new wonderful emotions in your life. See you. Bye bye.